Change thinking forces, recollect yourselves. This is what we have. This is the man who's supposed to lead us into a new Uganda. So, in a very long time, now idiocy has a permanent address. We need to correct ourselves and see a new direction. So I want to encourage us to stick to the issues and move on. Finally, for us to be able to settle some of these issues, Mr. Kyagulanyi, Mr. Ssewanyana has help. We shall meet in court. Probably they will help court and the families that are demanding for justice. You can't tell court what they know, because they seem to know a bit about what happened in Masaka. I think the best place for them to help the nation understand it better is court. So I wish them luck, but I want to encourage again in Uganda, I don't want to say in Uganda, not to give up, not to be diverted. We know the task Mr. Kyagulanyi was given, but I think some Ugandans were not so clear about it. I tried to encourage him to be strong. I failed. I was fault. Thankfully, I have some courage with me, not to really be diverted. Please rise, rise and rise. Thank you. Including his reasoning capacity. Remember, I told the world I registered the PPF. You know, he's never come out to apologize for that lie. You know. Remember, I am responsible for his party not having a constitution. I'm the one responsible. For his party not having a clear method of work. I am responsible. I'm responsible for his absence of a clear agenda. Now I'm also responsible for the arrest and the death of the civilian. So, he has a huge task. That's why I'm asking for him to seek help. Because he looks a pitiable figure, even when he's speaking. I feel sorry for him because I worked with him and I thought he could improve. I thought he could be better with time. He's going down so fast. And that makes me feel so sad because he could make a contribution to our struggles. So seeing him going down the drain so fast, he speaks and then he looks like a very drunkard. Like, this is the man I so much wanted to work with. I feel sorry for him. Seriously. I feel like very, very sympathetic to him. I don't know. Whoever can help this young man, please do. Please try. Before he goes back where we picked him. So from me and to you citizens, we have this problem. Every time, yesterday the NRM began its process of restructuring its electoral system, its structures. And the leading opposition had a day off to divert Ugandans from what's going on. When General Halls confesses to the arrest of citizens and detaining them illegally, so you have a leading opposition party diverting Ugandans from demanding for justice. Then the question of the day we should ask, people have been asking, who is working for Museveni and diverting the opposition cause? Must we ask further? Who is helping Museveni to divert the opposition from the cause of change? I tabled the reforms before the opposition 2.5 years ago. They said no. Museveni tumwesobolera. Museveni tabling his agenda, they're diverting the nation from the agenda. So I really feel sorry for our country, but I want to lift the spirits of Uganda who want to see change. That the change we need is not about Mr. Kyagulanyi and his cabal diverting us from seeking change. We need to correct ourselves first. We must correct ourselves, return to the agenda. Don't get intimidated by abuses and insults. I have been abused, insulted. My family abused and insulted for more than 2 years. We rise every day. My children go to school. I feed them. My family is alright, like any other family. I don't think that Mr. Kyagulanyi's family has become any better. Probably he's gotten more wealthier. So I want to encourage you, please come out. Stop the cowardice, because you have to be abused. Everyone has been abused. His Majesty the Kabaka has been abused. The Nabayega has been abused. The Kalikiro has been abused. The archbishops of Namirembe and Rwanda have been abused. So what do you fear? This is what we have. If you accept to surrender, this is what we have for a leader. I sympathize with my brother, the Allan Ssewanyana. We witnessed what he went through yesterday. I assumed if Mr. Kyagulanyi had a gun, he would have shot Mr. Ssewanyana. Without an iota of power, if he can behave in that manner, assuming he has some power anywhere. And what you saw yesterday is exactly what MPs told me they went through when he was forcing them to sign documents. On gunpoint, almost. So, forcing the Honorable Ssewanyana to say things he doesn't know, to insist on certain things, that he can also extend his political shell life. Very pitiable. Honorable Ssewanyana, we understand your predicament. We are not angry with you. We can understand. You also fight for your political life. But probably what you need to understand is that there is life after Parliament. Do not reduce yourself to a beggar. Don't reduce yourself to somebody without a brain. But I'm here to extend my sympathies to you as well for what you went through. Humiliation. That the dear leader can be happy for the afternoon. We understand your problems. Fourth, I want to sympathize with all change-seeking forces, all Ugandans of goodwill who desire to see Uganda change. That unfortunately for me and you, what you saw is what we have. So it's up to you to go and check ourselves, between me and you, to check ourselves, aware that that's what we have for a potential leader. We are fighting to overcome the autocracy of Gen 7, and then we have a joker in his replacement. That's what we have. So please go and look at all these possibilities. Probably when we next have opportunity to meet, we educate ourselves on what needs to be done to put the cause of change and better Uganda to a new direction. But unfortunately, between me and you, that's what we have. Fifth, I feel obligated to also sympathize with the rank and file in the opposition. Some prefer to call for soldiers. That's what you have for a leader. He will sacrifice you so that he can extend his shelf life in politics. So at a time when one of you, in the name of Eddie Mutwe, is arrested and detained illegally, and his arresters confess. So your leader is diverting us. Instead of pinning the people who have been arresting our people and detaining them illegally and constitutionally, So you have somebody who's supposed to lead the charge for freedom, diverting the cause of freedom. I want to assure you, please, now understand that you will be sacrificed by this same person, by this same joker, pretending to be your leader. So to you, foot soldiers, that's what you have for a leader. I hope you understand where you are. So cut your losses soon. That's what you have. Lastly, my sympathies. Mr. Kyagulanyi Ssentamu was my president and leader. I feel obligated also to sympathize with him. Namely, that the task you were given is so huge. I don't know how to rescue you. I tried. It was difficult to rescue you. Now I can see you even change further. I don't know the amount of rescue you can undertake to rescue you from captivity. You are captured, you are stranded, you are clueless, you are directionless. I feel sorry for you, my brother. I don't know how to help you. But can I ask of you to seek help? It could be medical, it could be psychological, it could be physical. Please seek it before you lose yourself. Seek help. It's not late. I have no personal grievance with you. I want you alive. I want you sane. I want you able to take decisions. Please seek help. Because clearly, you have lost yourself. But the task you are given is so huge. Initially, you are given a task to bring me down. I think it's a huge task. I don't know how far you have gone in doing that. I want to assure you, I know you are watching me, that I am around. Whoever gave you that task of bringing me down is a huge task. You know, and I can assure you will not manage it. But seek help before you go down the sewer. Otherwise, you are on the edge. You're on the cliff. I thought in the beginning I should extend those sympathies to those categories of people, including Mr. Kyagulanyi. But let me say this